Good day. Reporting from the Kuala Lumpur Convention Center, a special reception on the occasion of Timor-Leste's admission to ASEAN is being held today, marking a historic moment for the region as Timor-Leste officially joins the ASEAN family as its 11th member state. In attendance is His Majesty the Sultan and leaders, dialogue partners, and guests of the chair, alongside senior representatives from the United Nations ASEAN foreign ministers and ministers of the ASEAN Economic and Socio-Cultural Councils. Also present are TAC signing country ministers, heads of delegations, and senior ASEAN officials, including the Secretary General of ASEAN, Deputy Secretaries General, Directors General, permanent representatives, and other invited dignitaries. The event underscores the spirit of unity and cooperation among ASEAN member states, a milestone that reinforces regional solidarity, inclusiveness, and also a shared progress.
Enjoy this moment with us as friends and family, in the spirit of warmth, joy and togetherness that defines the Timorese way of welcome. Before concluding, I warmly invite Your Majesty, Your Excellencies, our development partners, and our distinguished guests to join me on a short trip to Timor-Leste. You don't pay anything. Please go with me in a special plane through a video presentation to experience the beauty and spirit of our nation. Obrigado, Barek. Obrigado, Barek.
Thank you, President Ramos Horta, and thank you, Prime Minister Zanan Gusmao, and all those present. We, the ASEAN community, fraternity, rejoice with the ascension of Timor-Leste as the 11th member of great ASEAN community. And of course, on behalf of all my colleagues, we can assure you, we will consider you as a real, functional, effective partner. We understand your tribulations, we understand your hope and aspirations, and let us join and build this ASEAN together. And thank you again for willing to consider and adopting all the conditions imposed and the corridors, difficult as it may initially, but you did it well. So let me say on behalf of Malaysia, on behalf of all our colleagues, a great thank you.
Thank you, Your Excellency.
The reception held a vibrant cultural showcasing featuring captivating performances from Timor-Leste's cultural dance group, proudly presenting traditional artistry that reflected the unity and diversity of the country. The highlight of the day was the debut of Timor-Leste's newly composed ASEAN song, Together We Rise, an inspiring piece created especially for the nation's accession into ASEAN. The performance resonated deeply with the guests, symbolizing Timor-Leste's spirit of solidarity, hope, and commitment to rise alongside its ASEAN brothers and sisters in shared progress and harmony. And finally, for Timor-Leste, through this reception, it represents not only a celebration of accession, but also a new chapter in its regional journey, one built upon mutual respect, partnership, and a shared ASEAN identity. From the Kuala Lumpur Convention Center, I'm Digna Sirang with Anita Suarez reporting for Tatol.